right, this is the other, I believe 30-inch, but it might be 24-inch Parrotuncle ceiling fan installed in the guest bedroom here. This replaced the other current ceiling fan, the one that had the pull chain broken off of it and only worked on low, or medium, I don't know, I forgot. But anyway, yeah, this fan replaced that. And it's kind of like the master bedroom fan, but it's a dark color, and it's got different kind of, you know, these things going around it. No kidding, it took me probably 35 minutes to put all these things on right here. Maybe longer, I don't know, but something like that. So, I guess we'll get to the demonstration now. Remote. There's the light. You can see there's a couple dimmer light bulbs in it, and the other 4 are brighter. I put the dimmer ones in, my cousin put the brighter ones in. So, maybe change that later. And here's low speed. So yeah, I guess Fanimation Air Shadow knockoff. There's a little buzzing noise. And feel some air from it. Medium. And here's high. Makes some kind of noise. I can't exactly justify what kind of noise it is, but it's a buzzing or a scraping. I don't know what it is. You guys might be able to hear it. All right, that's all the fans in the house for now until I reinstall that Patriot lighting fan on the screen and porch. So hope you enjoyed. Like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more.